Larie here. Welcome back. This is episode 4 of House to Home. If you're new here, I am documenting my move with my family from the New Jersey area to the Atlanta, Georgia area. We are headed to the Atlanta, Georgia area to do a tour of 3 beautiful homes that I can't wait to share with you. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe. If you're not and you're coming back and you haven't subscribed, remember to do that, okay? Help a sister out. But today's video is going to be a lot of fun and I can't wait for you to check it out. Let me know in the comments below which home you like the most, number 1, 2, or 3. I have some juicy stuff coming up, so I can't wait to share. There's a Disney World vacation that I'm going to be sharing and a mommy solo getaway to Jamaica. That was so lit.
Guys, we are at Newark Liberty International Airport and a flight in a long time. We're ready.
Driving in Atlanta be like.
Let the photographer go in first.
Alright, we're here. This one is a stunner. This home was almost perfect. It's a little out of our way in what we planned, but this bathroom right here almost had me changing my mind. This room is the perfect size. Other than the sitting area, I'm not crazy about a sitting area. I don't see myself using it very much, but she's gorgeous. Another Toll Brothers stunner. One of the things I love about their designs is their attention to detail and how natural light is one of their main features, which is right up my alley. I love it. Again, this has a sitting area that I'm not too crazy about, but this one isn't huge, so it's definitely doable. Look at this bathroom and a window and a closet. That's all I want to check off of my list. A customized closet with a window. Bam. Loved this one. And look at this outdoor area. Perfection. Home tour number 3. Look at this Toll Brothers beauty. Again, natural light is one of the main features, and of course all of this amazing detail. One of my favorite spaces in this particular home was the kitchen. They did not miss. Look at her. Gorgeous. This was just beautiful for me. Perfect amount of space in the main bedroom, a study space, finished basement. Let me know which one you liked the most. I can't wait to hear.
Oh, his ear is slimy.
Be careful, Joey. All right, so which one did you like the most? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? I'm looking forward to hearing what you liked down below. There was just so many beautiful details. If you want to catch up on this series, I have the other 3 videos listed below. Check those out. I'm also going to be posting in my shorts. I'm also on TikTok. Come over and say hello. I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.